Welcome to the Proton Beam Therapy Centre at the Christie, the first high-energy NHS proton beam therapy centre in the UK. Patients arrive at the ground floor reception and check in at the desk for their appointment. You can find a range of information booklets here. We also have a teaching service for school-age patients. When patients arrive at the first floor reception, they will check in at the desk. Then they'll wait here for their appointment. The Pediatric waiting area is a dedicated space for pediatric patients. This area has a range of toys and facilities for infants and younger children while they wait for their appointments. Teenage and young adult patients can make use of the TYA waiting area. They can relax and spend time in this space while they wait for their appointments. The Winter Garden is a waiting area for all patients to use. Here, patients can use the available facilities to make their own refreshments at their leisure. Patients will have a CT scan. This is used to help plan their proton beam therapy. During the CT scan, patients have to stay in the position they will be in every day for their proton beam therapy. Proton beam therapy is delivered using a machine called a gantry. The gantry can rotate 360 degrees around a patient to accurately aim the proton beam into the area needing treatment. Patients lie on a tabletop during proton beam therapy, and the gantry moves around them. The treatment staff will deliver the proton beam therapy to the patient from a secure area outside the gantry. The treatment staff will watch the patient on multiple cameras while they're outside the gantry. Infants and some younger children may need a general anesthetic for their proton beam therapy. This means the patient can stay still in the same position every day and helps the treatment staff deliver the treatment accurately. The interview rooms provide a quiet and private area for discussions between patients and staff. For example, staff might use this area to explain the proton beam therapy process before the patient's first treatment. The clinic rooms are where the patient will see lots of different healthcare staff during their treatment. This is where they'll have routine appointments with their consultant and their key worker. The play area is an outdoor space for younger patients. This area has a range of toys and playground equipment for infants and younger children to use while they wait for their appointments. The main waiting area can be used by all patients. Here, there are facilities for patients to make their own refreshments at their leisure. To find out more information about proton beam therapy at the Christie, visit our website at www.christie.nhs.uk/protons.